MacBook Pro 8141 replacing SSD done successfully. See, now this is DFU mode. DF mode is running. See, taken 2.3 2.6 amps. Display also coming, and DFU mode is completing its process. 4 of 4, 2 or 3 times it's start. We connect our donor Mac for DFU. See, fan spin. Also we connect our cooling pad, cooling fan for cooling purpose. We replace the SSD. See, all replacing SSD, 1 TB SSD replacement. Model is A2141. See, four of 4 process DFU. If there is pedal lock, process is complete. Yes, pedal lock is there. This process is complete. Now we have to remove both power. Now we connect only our DC supply power. We connect only DC power supply power. See, now it's taken 1.6, 0.150, 152 amp, and display coming. This is now we on this standalone. MacBook Pro 8141 replacing SSD. See, Mac logo also there. Now we have to install operating system. Let's install the operating system. There is folder mark. This case study of MacBook Pro 8141 is now complete. Thank you.